Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with an unboxing video, so if you'd like to see more, definitely stay tuned. So today I'm going to be unboxing a wig from the company Mulan Wigs. They did send me a wig to review. As always, the details on the company, the wig details, everything like that will be left down below. But let's jump right into it. So I chose a deep wave wig, and here it is. It's the Brazilian deep wave wig, and it's in 18 inches. It's a lace front, so the lace is from ear to ear, as you can see, and you get about 3 inches of parting space, and then the rest of the wig is just wefted. It has about 4 combs, so you have 2 ear combs, one behind the lace and then one in the back, and then it also has an adjustable strap in the back to adjust it on your head. So this is the texture here. It's 130 density. Yes, 130 density, 100% Remy human hair, single knots. What else? Yeah, it can be dyed, all that, your standard stuff. The frontal does come pre-plucked, which is good. Well, I don't even know, is it pre-plucked? Yeah, I think it's pre-plucked. If it's not pre-plucked, then it's really thin around the hairline. But yeah, that's good because I hate plucking frontals. But yeah, this is the wig. As far as the texture of it, the hair is soft. It feels, you know, pretty standard. This is deep wave, so they're not necessarily ringlet curls. They're just like really tight waves, hence deep wave. So yeah, in the box you also get pink comb, a wig cap, and some hair ties. Again, this is just an unboxing video, so I will be installing this wig really soon. I'm not quite sure exactly what I want to do to the hair. I did post a video, I did post a picture on my Instagram page a few days ago with a few options that I'm kind of leaning towards. I kind of want to color it, but then I don't know, I kind of want to just like color it black. So yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do. What do you think? So I think the options were like blonde, there was like a coppery auburn color, and then I had a red option, and then jet black also, because you can never go wrong with jet black. So what color would you all like to see this wig? It's really long. Probably gonna install it like as a middle part or something, and just really big and luscious. So I will do a complete like install and just a series on the wig showing you guys how I color it, whatever color I choose to do. I'll show you guys how I color it and install it. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this unboxing video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're interested on this hairstyle I currently have in, some feed-in braids. I went to the person who normally does my feed-in braids. I'll link her page down below if you guys want to see more of her work. And yeah, so yeah, thank you all for watching. If you want to make sure that you're up to date when I do this installation video, make sure you click the bell down below so that when the video goes live, you know about it right away. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a suggestion down in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.